Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's October 1st, 2025, and it's around 9 a.m. And it's about 52 degrees, and it's really cloudy today. See a little bit of blue off to the west, but it's mostly cloudy. Like the sun trying to pop through. Good morning, Harold. I don't have nothing special for you. Go eat your hay. Silly pig. Just want a pet. Older pig. Huh? Well, all the animals are taken care of. I hope it warms up some. Got things to do out here. Got a little bit more computer work to do. So I'll do that this morning. Hopefully